Hi students, this is Dr. Thomas and I wanted to show you where the midterm exam was. I'm pretty sure you've seen the tab that says midterm and final exams. What I want you to do is once you are signed in with ProctorU and you have a proctor monitoring you right before the test, I want you to go to Blackboard and go to the midterm and final exams tab. And once you click that, you'll see where it says the midterm and final exams will be proctored via ProctorU. This area is where you should go to access these exams. These exam tabs will become visible closer to the exam dates. ProctorU will enter the password to allow you to access the exam. So this is where ProctorU will enter they click on this and they will enter the password. Once the password is submitted, what I want you to do is possibly go to the top of your page and refresh it or reload the page, and then wait a couple seconds to see that the midterm actually is going to pop up in this same midterm and final exams area right here, but only after ProctorU has entered the correct password, and you will actually see the midterm exam pop up under midterm instructions. But let's go through the midterm instructions really quickly. All right, so below this area, the midterm will pop up, so that's why I'm saying below is the official midterm exam. The midterm exam covers the following concepts. Please note that it covers 2 chapters. Make sure that you are prepared for it. And in order to take the midterm or final, again, you have to sign up with ProctorU and schedule an appointment. Now, if you do not sign up with ProctorU 3 days in advance of your test date, then you may incur a fee. Just letting you know that so that's why I've been urging you and encouraging you to sign up for your exam 2 weeks in advance so that you wouldn't have to incur a fee. You may use a scientific calculator, not a graphing calculator. You may use scratch paper, but at the very end of the test, make sure you tear up the scratch paper in little pieces and throw it away. The test is timed. Therefore, you need to log in with ProctorU early to ensure you have adequate time to take the entire exam. You have 2 hours to take the exam, and the exam is between 20 and 25 problems. So you should have more than enough time to get through the problems, but if you adequately prepare, you should have more than enough time. If you don't adequately prepare, it's going to seem like you need more time, okay? You are only allowed 1 attempt for the midterm exam, although the instructions will read multiple attempts, and that's for ProctorU. That's not for you to take it over and over again. You are not allowed bathroom breaks, so make sure you use the restroom before you even sign in with ProctorU. And just guide ProctorU to the password protected midterm exam and click on the link. Once the midterm exam pops up, just click on that link. The midterm exam, and when you're in the midterm exam, there are some multiple choice problems and there are some short answer problems. And what I mean by short answer, I just want you to type out the steps. Whenever you are typing out math functions, make sure that you are using that f of x tool. And I'm not sure if you know what I mean, but I always use that f of x math editor tool, and I'll see if I can find it in the problem solving form. So if you're typing something, for example, if I reply, for example, if I reply here and I type, notice that there's an f of x insert edit math formula. So anytime you are entering numbers or symbols, please use this insert math formula box to enter any of your answers for the math problems. All right. Well, that concludes this video on how to access the midterm or final exam. So this will also occur during final exam week. You'll go to the same tab and go through the same process all over again. So if you have questions, please directly email me at sthomas@lawsonstate.edu. Don't email me through Blackboard Ultra if possible. Those emails don't go directly to my email at times. So if you can, using your Lawson State student email account, just email me from there, sthomas@lawsonstate.edu. And I hope you do really well on the midterm exam.